Plastic Model Builders, hello, it is I, Harry Stone with Plastic Model Builder. We have here the Tamiya Focke Wulf FW190 A8/A8R2. German warcraft right here, airplane. Wonderful kit, has recessed panel lines, you can see in all its glory right here. A little bit of a nice detailed cockpit. Got a moving propeller. The wheels are static, they don't go up and down. You can make the cockpit open or closed. A wonderful little kit for 1/48 scale, very detailed, especially inside of the landing gear area. This is a kit that I would recommend, especially for 1/48 scale. It does come with full decals, as you can see. You will not see those decals featured on the box, but you can see them here on the plane. If you don't like them, don't put them on and just go like that. It is a historically accurate model for the decals. And like I said, if you want to buy this kit, it's a wonderful kit. I do recommend this kit, the Tamiya 1/48 scale Focke Wulf FW190 A8/A8R2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And as always, until next time, see ya!